The display type of the smartphone LTPO AMOLED and the display color of the smartphone 1 billion color. Now I am telling about the refresh rate of the display of the smartphone 120 Hz. The display size of the smartphone 6.73 inch. The screen to body ratio of the display of the smartphone 89.6%. The resolution of the display of the smartphone 1440 by 3200 pixel. The PPI density of the display of the smartphone 521. The operating system of the smartphone Android 12 MIUI 13. The chipset of the smartphone Qualcomm SM8415 Snapdragon 8 Generation 5 4nm. The CPU of the smartphone octa-core and the GPU of the smartphone Adreno 730. Now I am telling about the memory of the smartphone. Card slot is not available in the smartphone, but the internal memory are available a different type of the smartphone 128GB and 256GB, and the RAM of also available are different type of the smartphone 8GB and 12GB UFS 3.1. Now I am telling about the main camera of the smartphone. The main camera are triple camera, 50 megapixel wide camera, 50 megapixel telephoto camera and 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. The feature of the main camera of the smartphone dual LED flash panorama HDR. And the video of the main camera of the smartphone 8K into 24 fps, 4K into 30 and 60 fps, 1080p into 30, 60, 120 and 240, 960 fps. The selfie camera of the smartphone is a single camera, 32 megapixel wide camera. The feature of the selfie camera of the smartphone HDR in panorama. Now I am telling about the video of the selfie camera of the smartphone 180p into 30 and 60 fps, 720p into 120 fps. The loudspeaker of the smartphone with the stereo speaker and the 3.5mm jack is not available in the smartphone. The Wi-Fi of the smartphone Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct hotspot. The Bluetooth of the smartphone 5.2 A2DP-LE. GPS is available in the smartphone. NFC is also available in the smartphone, but the FM radio is not available in the smartphone. The charging port of the smartphone USB Type-C 2.0 USB on the go. The battery type of the smartphone 4600 non-removable battery. Fast charging 120W, fast wireless charging 50W, and the reverse wireless charging of the smartphone 10W. The power delivery of the smartphone 3.0. The SIM of the smartphone are dual SIM, nano SIM and dual standby. The 5G technology are available of the smartphone. The launch date of the smartphone was announced 28 December 2021. There are different prices are available of the smartphone. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching a more video about smartphone and tablets, please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablets, please leave a comment and I will try to reply.